Kababayan LA, we're giving 5 sets of 4-pack tickets to the Orange County Fair. Kung gusto niyo po ng summer outing without spending, we'll treat you to the Orange County Fair. We'll discuss details this afternoon on the show as well. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. My name is Janelle So and welcome to Kababayan LA, where today we're also going to give you some immigration updates, very interesting stories. Pasimula po sa ating balita.
This Balita segment is brought to you by MoneyGram. Magpadala ng mobile phone load sa inyong minamahal sa Pilipinas with mobile operators tulad ng Smart, Globe, TM at Sun Cellular. Visit www.moneygram.com/mobile recharge para sa karagdagang impormasyon.
That's right. Ang MoneyGram po, hindi lang pang international money transfer. Meron na rin po silang iba't ibang serbisyo. Katulad nga ng, kung meron po kayong mga friends and family in the Philippines and you want to load up their phones over there, you may do so as well using MoneyGram. Meanwhile, joining us from their Glendale newsroom, si Ronnie Ligo, Editor-in-Chief of Weekend Balita. Also, they have a brand new broadsheet. Ang tawag po dyan na US Asian Post. Both are available at your favorite Filipino establishments. Ronnie, hello and welcome to Kababayan LA.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat na nanonood ng Kababayan LA at maganda po yata ang balita natin ngayong hapon.
Yes, Asians overtaking Hispanics in terms of immigration numbers. Ronnie, that's big news for us.
Oo nga, no? Most likely, if you're an Asian, you have a college degree, you are paid handsomely, at mukhang you stay within your marriage. At ito nga ang balita natin ngayon kasi apparently more Asian immigrants are now immigrating to the United States kumpara sa mga Hispanics. In fact, na-overtake na raw natin according to a new study.
And we're not just overtaking them in terms of number, Ronnie, and we're not just simply immigrating here. It turns out some of the Asian communities and some of Asians, yung mga individual families dito, are also thriving sa life here in the States.
Right, ano? At yan ang minsan nga ay kahapon, binasa ko yung mga comments nila dyan. Apparently, ang mga Asians daw kasi, no, not only do they value education, at kaya nga nabanggit natin ang mga may college degree, at 61% nga raw, according to the study, have this type of education, at binavalue natin talaga yung, ating family. And we not only are we thriving, we do this, in a very special fashion na kung saan very economically, stable dito sa Amerika. At kumpara nga sa mga Hispanics kasi, sila, a lot of them cross the border illegally. Sa atin, hindi po pwede yun kasi we have to pass through border dito sa Amerika pag pumasok tayo. So, most likely, legal tayo unlike yung ibang Hispanics.
And speaking of immigration, yung mga legalities of immigration, Obama's new immigration policy concerns young immigrants. And we're going to be talking about that also today on the show kasama si Attorney Allison Aquino and Attorney Richard Lowe. But Ronnie, moving on now. So, maswerte yung mga kababayan na nakakalipat dito sa Amerika, but some kababayans aren't as lucky, especially those that are being tricked to work in Syria. What's going on?
O nga, the Department of Foreign Affairs found out that some of our gullible, yung mga madaling malokong kababayan natin dyan sa bansang Pilipinas, they're being tricked into going to Syria. Alam naman natin, may gera dyan, may civil unrest dyan. Marami raw ang umaalis, mga 100 yata na kababayan natin, mostly trying to become mates doon sa bansang Syria. Ngayon, binabawalan na nga, bukod sa may order na nga na banning kababayans going to Syria. So, winawarningan sila at they're trying to join 7,000 Filipinos there, most of whom don't want to come home kasi nga baka mawalan sila ng trabaho, mawalan sila ng livelihood.
Meron po tayong kasabihan sa Tagalog na ang tao pag nagigipit kahit sa patalim, kumakapit. Marami po sa ating mga kababayan nakikipagsapalaran sa ibang bayan kahit mahirap. Pero kung meron po kayong mga kamag-anak, kaibigan sa Pilipinas na nagbabalak pumunta sa Syria, sana po bawalan nyo na rin sila dahil nga po mapanganib ang mga kondisyon doon. Meanwhile, Ronnie, in local news, let's talk about redistricting.
Oo nga, no? Merong isang pinalabas kasi yung Los Angeles Council na kung saan nire-district yung ibang portions nitong Los Angeles. At ang issue rito kasi alam naman natin ang Los Angeles divided into several towns na kung tawagin, may Filipino town, may Thai town, may Korea town. Nagreklamo yung mga ating mga kapwa Asian Koreans kasi nga yung Korea town ay hinati Some are being separated from yung tinatawag nilang financial base, yung Wilshire District. Alam naman natin, napakaunlad na bayan na yan, yung portion na yan. Ngayon, nagreklamo sila, baka raw pwedeng baguhin ito. Kasi ito is, the redistricting is being held every 10 years. At pagka nangyari na nga yan, for the next 10 years, yan ang magiging portion at yan ang magiging boundaries ng dito sa Los Angeles.
And it affects us kasi yung mga budget per community, budget ng district, yung representation natin in office per district, that largely affects how we operate in the community. And that's why I know several months ago we had some people from historic Filipino town come here and emphasize the importance of attending town hall meetings para po malaman ng mga nagdedesisyon kung ano pong mga saloobin natin bilang kaparte ng iba't ibang distrito. Ronnie, thank you for sharing those stories with us today.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Mas marami pa pong balita sa kanilang Weekend Balita. That's a physical newspaper, also US Asian Post, ang kanilang broadsheet, and also online, www.balita.com. Meanwhile, sa Kababayan LA, we are giving you a chance to visit the Orange County Fair. Very, very fun for free. So, you need to buy tickets, pero dito sa Kababayan LA, we're giving away tickets, 5 sets of 4 packs. That's what you need to do. Family picture, a family pack of tickets will be given to viewers who send us a letter. So, kailangan niyo po kaming sulatan. Why do you think your family deserves to go to Orange County Fair for free? Send your email or your entries to kababayan@la18.tv. And in a few days, we're going to be deciding the winners, and 5 lucky families will go to the Orange County Fair for free. Mas marami pa pong balita sa pagbabalik ng Kababayan LA. Don't go away.